Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Jaya Education. Now we are going to learn and write 10-line essay on my dream. Let's start. First line. My dream is to become a doctor. Second line. I want to open my hospital. Third line. I would wear a white coat. Fourth line. I will treat the poor people for free. Fifth line. I would use my doctor's tool. Sixth line. I will give sweet medicines to all kids. Seventh line. I will not give injections to kids. Eighth line. My father is also a doctor. Ninth line. I will work hard to become a doctor. Tenth line. I will make my parents proud on me. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.